What is stock market? Stock market is a medium of transferring money from an impatient individual to a patient one. Nobody can tell you about this other than us. My name is Noor, and I'm one of the faculty members for a stock market derivative trading that you would be very interested about. This training is actually somewhere around 50,000 is what it was being planned, but we have actually found out a way and understood that India is facing quite difficult times with a secondary source of income. So we have slashed our price from 10,000 to just 1,000. And what are you going to get with this? You're going to get a 4-day theoretical workshop about strategies. What are the stock market instruments that are most critical, and what is that is going to make a very big change in your life. And it is also going to be included with a 1-day live trading. Now this workshop, there is going to be a 90-minute workshop that is going to be conducted every day between 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. starts 20th of April, ends at the 26th of April. It is a 4-day theoretical workshop, and what we are going to do, whatever we have learned, we are going to implement it live. So there is going to be a 1-day live trading session that is going to be conducted on the 26th of April. Over here, what you're going to learn, you're going to have a basic to advanced knowledge about equity, index, and futures. We're going to talk to you about what are the ways how experts make their decisions and how people from basic knowledge to pro understand the market. We are also going to give you a knowledge about technical analysis, where we are going to teach you about trend line, confluence zone, support and resistance, and more information about how to patiently wait and create structures and analyze breakout. We are going to also teach you about the integral parts, about Banknifty, Nifty options, and what is it that actually moves them, and what are the ways you can book profits, what are the ways you can exit with a loss. We can also go ahead and give you an extensive knowledge about trading psychology, risk management, money management, which is the most critical part, because we human beings are driven by emotions, and emotions are the ones which would take away most of your profit. So we are going to tell you how and what is important about that, and also about live trading. In live trading, we are going to go ahead and implement whatever knowledge that we have gathered for the last 4 days, and we are going to implement them live. I'm going to give you a quick trick and techniques about secret strategies that are going to be available here. I'm going to show you live how money is being made in this market, and all of this is included with just 999. What are you waiting for, guys? This is the best time to go ahead and subscribe for one. Thank you so much for your time, and if you want to know more, you go to www.relta.in and you will be able to see all about this. So we will see you around on the next video. Take care. Goodbye.